Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we are jumping into something that, well, it really stretches the imagination of what decentralized finance could be.
It really does.
We're talking about autonomous AI agents, contracting, interacting, and paying each other. 247. Specifically, we're doing a deep investigation into the PayAI network.
That's right. Our mission today is to sift through the sources. On one side, you have this claim that PayAI is the fundamental architecture for a whole new AI economy.
On the other side.
The other side is a big warning sign,
Hmm.
basically saying it's, speculative crypto momentum wrapped in some very, very technical jargon.
Yeah.
We need to see what's real.
Okay, let's start with that vision then. The core idea is an open source, decentralized marketplace where software agents can just handle transactions completely on their own.
Right, no humans needed. And it all runs on the PayAI token on the Solana chain.
And that choice of Solana is important, isn't it?
Oh, it's critical. I mean, think about it. If you have millions of AIs making tiny payments, you absolutely need speed and super low transaction costs. That's what Solana brings to the table.
So it's a prerequisite.
It's a must-have. And beyond that, they list this whole stack of tech Alizos, lib, P2P, IPFS that are all supposed to make this autonomy claim actually work.
Okay, so let's break that down. Why is a term like libp2p so important here? Is it just a buzzword?
No, not at all. libp2p is, it stands for library peer-to-peer, and it's how the agents talk to each other directly without a central server.
So no single point of failure.
Exactly. That's the technical heart of true autonomy. And then IPFS is there for, storing the contracts and the data in a way that's permanent and can be verified.
So that all sounds like a pretty robust technical plan for the future, but this is where the story starts to get a little muddy.
Right.
Because when our sources tried to dig past those claims, they found some pretty big gaps.
Exactly. The main issues are really transparency and verification. First off, the white paper itself is surprisingly hard to find.
Okay.
And second, the Gitbook, their documentation, it's very thin. It gives you a high-level idea, but almost no technical specifics on how the agents actually work.
And what about actual usage?
That's the biggest thing. There's no stated number of live agents, no public transaction history we can verify,
Yeah.
and no big case studies showing this AI economy is actually running.
But, to be skeptical, couldn't a project just be in stealth mode, maybe protecting its IP before a big launch? Is it really a red flag?
It becomes a huge red flag when you look at the market.
Yeah.
The token price has gone up by, I quote, thousands of % from its low.
Wow.
That kind of jump combined with zero verifiable performance data. That is the textbook definition of speculative mania. You see lots of holders, but shallow liquidity, which tells you the price is driven by the story, not by use.
And what about their big claim, the live payments claim? The website has this demo. It says, Trick Sector 2 payments against a live merchant today.
And that's the hook, right? But the critical detail is the lack of any third-party verification. There's no independent audit showing this system is being used at any real scale.
So just have their word for it.
We have a claim of live payments, but no independent proof. And that's the barrier between potential and, reality.
Okay, so if we run all this through our filter, what's the bottom line?
The sources all converge on this. PayAI Network is high risk, high potential, and extremely speculative. It has to be treated as a moonshot bet.
Not a safe investment.
Absolutely not. You are betting on future adoption, not a business that exists today. You really have to demand proof audits, confirm partners, before you consider this anything other than highly speculative.
It's a classic story of incredible ambition meeting the hard reality of accountability. Thanks for walking us through all that.
Of course. And here's a final thought for you to chew on. With this powerful idea of an autonomous AI economy, what kind of independent, verifiable data that goes beyond just price charts and what the team claims, should you demand to tell the difference between a revolution and just pure speculation?